Doesn't it just feel so nice to hop out of your bed and put your paws into the air and run into the forest and be whoever you want to be? We've got free will, remember? That's right. I'm looking outside the window in a long and lonely road. It's dark outside and there's no lights out. When I get home I wanna check it out, check it out. My mom and dad are sleeping but I feel so awake. So I'm running, I'm running, I'm running far away. The fire in my blood and veins, I think it's kinda time for a change. 'Cause I am a nature child. Nature child. Nature, nature, nature child. Heal me, heal me.